Williams, Philippines. It is Thursday, June 26th, 2025, and it's noon. Noon. Uh, Missed y'all yesterday. Well, I got ran out of the house so that she could show it. Did do some, you know, stuff earlier and got to the doctor's office and got that took care of. So, yeah. And she got in here, got a couple of people to take a look at it, and I think she might have another one come by. Uh, but she's got three people that are wanting to put in offers. Uh, Two of them today, one yesterday. Not as high up there as I would like them to be, but uh, one of them can close in a week, be done. So nothing else. I'll take that, but I'm hoping to hear something better and higher from these other two, and maybe get a little more out of the other one if I go with them. Uh, I've been. It's been a long day. Although I actually slept late, I actually got 9 hours of sleep, which is good. But yeah, I've been up since basically 2 and been playing with suitcases, and my suitcases came in, so yay. They came in, what was it, Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday. They showed up early. They weren't supposed to get here till Thursday today, and they actually showed up on Tuesday, so yay. And I was trying to get some stuff done with them yesterday when I had to get out, and she got the realtor got in here and checked a few things. And then this morning I've been tinkering with it and actually managed to run out the backyard, mow a little trench in the weeds that were knee deep, grass that was knee deep, or whatever you want to call it. Run the walk behind weed eater back there, got that part done. Gonna try to get around the beehives and see if I can get that set up and maybe take and do that next week. Uh, Somebody is thinking about my chest freezer. Sorry. Did I say I was tired? It's been a long day already, and it's not been that many hours. It's been that active. And I just got through sitting down and eating. I was about halfway through eating when IBC toad issue showed up, and we did it. So I just went and got that heated back up and cooked and ate. Finished cooking and eating. I think I'm going to try to mix up some fixings for the what do you call it? Stuffed bell peppers. Put them in the air fryer uh, before I go to sleep. I don't know. Part of me wants to do it now. The other part is get it tonight when you wake up. Uh, Papers, files. Oh my! In two different suitcases. I'm trying to decide which one I'm carrying with me and which one's going to be storage. Yay! Yeah. One says it's 22, but when I measured it, it was 24 or just under 24. Apparently, anything up to 23 3/4 qualifies as 22 inch, but this one's actually 22 inch. So, yay. Under 22 inch, right on it. So, yay. Don't have to worry about whether it fits or not. I know it. I put the measure to it, and it can actually fit inside the other one just about. So yay! But I got to get the papers and there, and I've got more stuff. I've actually sent out some of my T-shirts. Sent a sack of those over to my cousin. There's some of them that were still in good shape, kind of like this one here. I probably should have gave it to him because it's tight on me, and he's smaller than I am, so this probably would have fit him real good. But it gives him something to wear around work when he's working, if he's working. So yay. Uh, didn't even try to ask him if he got over to talk to Social Security yet. I don't think he's going to qualify, especially if he doesn't get up and do something about it. It is what it is. Uh, yeah. Looking at that bench over there, the workbench, need to try to get that out of here and figured out. And try to get this table here, uh, or desk here, chest of drawers. Oh, God, I am tired. Get the chest of drawers figured out and get it out of here. Part of me would like to take and see that go to an antique shop and have them do something with it because it's actually a real nice, you know, uh, it's an antique. It's older than I am by a long shot. And it's got one of those real nice mirrors on it. Hell, probably the mirror is worth more than the damn chest of drawers. I don't know. But I'd hate to see it just get tossed out because it is nice wood. And yeah, with a little TLC and tightening up, it could be a real nice chest of drawers again. But it is old. And I'm feeling old today. Hazard of being very active on a day. But that's okay. I'm getting more stuff done. Uh, if I was to go for this one ad, I could actually be out of my house the beginning of July. I don't know. Uh, yeah, it is what it is. All I know is it's been a very busy day. Yesterday was a long one, which got a bunch of things done. Today has been a busy one, and I got not a bunch, but I got some stuff. Oh, I got into the cabinet over my kitchen stove and got all the seasonings out of it and down out of my spice rack. My spice rack is actually empty, and it just mounts over the stove under the cabinet. And now it can actually come out and needs to be cleaned up. Everything around here needs to be cleaned up. I'm not the greatest housekeeper, and I know it. Yeah. But I did get a bunch of stuff took care of and got a couple boxes worth of seasoning that can go over to somebody. And there's some of them that are literally brand new, still unsealed, sealed up, and the seal ain't been broke. And then there's some that are the seal's been broke, but they're still good. It's what I've been using. And hey, spice. It's always a good thing. Everybody needs spice. Some folks don't use a lot of it. I just don't get that. Don't get me wrong, I enjoy a good steak. I don't put a lot of stuff on it, but I do put a little on it. And yeah. I like the flavor of a good steak. It is what it is. Oh, sorry. Anyway, I'm going to try to play with paperwork. I think I might have to clean the bench top off and pull my stool back in here, sit down and sort through all my papers and have that nice big tabletop over there to work with because I got a lot of papers I need to work with. Uh, yeah, it is what it is. I'm sorry. Anyway, William Williams, Philippines. Uh, like, comment, subscribe, do your thing. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and again, more food. Hey, I'm Fish, and Fish is out.